Iron Gall Ink, essential for record keeping and correspondence throughout history. Ingredients: oak galls, copperas, and gum arabic. First, oak galls are crushed into a powder. Copperas, also known as iron sulfate, is added to darken the ink. Gum arabic binds it to paper for permanence. Ratios: variable. As with all homemade recipes, adjustments yield different shades and flow. Mix and let mature for a rich, lasting ink. This is the ink of manuscripts, orders, and letters, a tool of communication made to endure.